Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So happy Women's Day to all the beautiful ladies watching this video. So today's video is going to be something different video. So on the occasion of Women's Day, I thought I will have a small talk with you guys. So this video is not going to be about makeup or DIY. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get into the video. So 8th March is marked as Women's Day to celebrate women's achievements and raise awareness about the women equality. Yeah, basically being a woman is difficult, and we all know that women face a lot of problems compared to men in the society. Uh, we have seen a lot of women achieve a great success in their fields, so I know that it's kind of difficult and it needs a lot of guts and to achieve a lot in the field, whichever field it is. And now there are no such fields that women are not there. So I feel really proud when I see women achieving a lot of things in different fields. Basically, the point of this video I wanted to do is sharing that you are beautiful in the way you are. I know women have been judged with a lot of things, like your body, the way you talk, the way you handle yourself in the society. It is there, like people judge you according to these things. So I feel that every woman deserves respect in whatever the way she looks or whatever she's achieving, whatever her status is. So the first thing I told you is you are beautiful in the way you are, no matter what people say about you. Never listen to them. Just be what you are and achieve your goals in the way you want. Don't see that what society is going to say or what people around you are going to say. Just achieve it. It's for your future, and if you are doing great, people are going to talk about you at the back. So that shouldn't bother, because your goals are set into your mind and they are ahead of you. So just go for it. Don't think about anything. Like, don't let small things stop you for achieving the goals you want. Second, the key of being yourself. So whatever field you are achieving in, whatever thing you are doing, just be yourself. Never get influenced by people saying a lot of stuff, that you are a woman, you should not do this or you should not do that. So there are people who talk about this a lot. So don't bother, just be yourself, and yeah, you will achieve great success. The third point is self-love. Women are beautiful creatures and they tend to forget what self-love is. Self-love is really important. It's a very important thing, and you should practice self-love each and every day. So I feel self-love is just giving yourself love and believing in yourself, and do things what you love to do, not the things you are forced to do. You should be doing things what you love. When a thing is forced, it's not achievable at its best. But if you are passionate about that thing and if you love doing that thing, you are gonna achieve great success ahead. So self-love is very important. Don't forget to love yourself the way you are and give yourself time and space. Don't just do for the sake of doing it. Give yourself time to realize what you love, what you want to do, what you want to achieve in your life, and just go for it. Okay, the last thing is women come they are born with a lot of responsibilities. So as they grow up, they have to be the best daughter they can. After that, they have to be the best wife, best daughter-in-law, best whatever the tags women are given. Being women is not a easy thing. It comes with a lot of responsibilities. So just be easy on yourself. I know sometimes it's like, why should I be doing all the things? There should be someone to help me out, or you just feel like you should have a helping hand. So I can understand all these things, and it's okay to take a break from your work and just be yourself for a while. Don't just go hard on yourself. It's never gonna make you achieve anything. So yeah, I feel self-love is everything. So just be easy on yourself, love yourself, and yeah, do what you love. Don't bother about things what people are saying around you. They are gonna talk no matter what. If you are doing good, they are gonna talk. If you're doing bad, they are gonna talk. So let them talk, right? Don't just get bothered with those things. You keep doing what you want, okay? And when you achieve a success, you don't care about these things talking at your back. So yeah, that's what I wanted to share. A small a motivation for women who are sitting at home and they are passionate about something and they want to do something in your life. So just get up and do it, okay? Don't bother about anything in this world. Just yourself is enough. So yeah, don't forget to love yourself. That is the main motive I wanted to do a video about. There are a lot of things which you can do as self-love. So if you want me to do a video on it, what kind of things self-love include, I will be glad to do it. So if you, then just let me know in the comment section. And yeah, I hope this video was a little bit motivating and you got something or the other. I am not a good motivational speaker or something like that, but I felt like these things should be told, and that is the reason I filmed this. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you all.